In today's video, I will walk you through how to customize MT5 multiple timeframes on Metatrader 5. Start by locating the timeframe toolbar near the top of your Metatrader 5 platform. Once you've found it, right-click anywhere on the timeframe section. A menu will appear on the screen. From that menu, click on Customize. You'll now see two sections. One contains the selected buttons that are already displayed on your toolbar, and the other contains the available timeframes that are not currently shown. The selected section already includes the default timeframes, starting from 1 minute and ending with the monthly chart. To add another timeframe, click on the one you want from the available list, and then click Insert. The position where it appears depends on where your cursor is in the selected list. If you want to keep everything organized, first click the timeframe that you want the new one to appear above. Then select the new timeframe from the available list, and click Insert. For example, click on the 5-minute timeframe, then select the 2-minute timeframe and click Insert. Repeat the same process for the 3-minute and 4-minute timeframes, so they appear above the 5-minute chart. Next, click on the 15-minute timeframe and insert the 6-minute, 10-minute, and 12-minute timeframes, so they appear above it. Then click on the 30-minute timeframe and insert the 20-minute timeframe above it. After that, click on the 4-hour timeframe and insert both the 2-hour and 3-hour timeframes above it. Next, click on the daily timeframe and insert the 6-hour, 8-hour, and 12-hour timeframes above it. Continue until the available list becomes empty. Once the available section is empty, all 21 timeframes have been added to your toolbar. If you want to rearrange any of them, select the timeframe you want to move and use the up or down buttons to change its position. You can move it higher or lower until it appears exactly where you want it. If you decide you want to return everything to the original layout, simply click the Reset button. This restores the default arrangement of the timeframes. When you're happy with the layout, close the Customize window. You'll now see all of the available timeframes displayed across the toolbar. You can switch between them at any time by clicking the one you want to use. For example, you can select the 6-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour, 2-hour, or any other available time frame directly from the toolbar. That's all there is to customizing the time frames in Metatrader 5. Once you've added them, you'll have access to all 21 time frames whenever you need them. Thank you for watching.